In this video, I am going to show you how you can use the inbuilt surface level on your Samsung Galaxy S26 and Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. To begin with, you need to make sure that the surface level is activated on the tools and the edge panels of your phone. So you need to go into the settings, then scroll down and select display. Then you want to scroll until you find edge panels and click on it. Then here you want to ensure that this is toggled on. Then at the bottom, search for panels and select it. Then you want to ensure that tools is one of the active panels that you have. When that is set, you can simply exit the settings application. Then from the right side of the screen, simply scroll to bring up the edge panels, then swipe again and swipe again to bring up the tools. Now the compass is the default tool that pops up, but you can change this by tapping on the three buttons at the top, then select surface level. And that is going to bring up the surface level tool, and you can see the X and the Y coordinates. You can also calibrate the surface based on if you would like it to be straight or to be slanted. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them on the comment section below, and see you on the next video.